The EVO isn't just another outdoor griddle, it's a circular flat top designed from the ground up to be the centerpiece of a social outdoor kitchen. While most griddles are rectangular and force you to stand facing a wall, the EVO's round cooking surface lets people gather around it. You're cooking with your guests instead of turning your back to them. That social, interactive cooking experience is what EVO was built for. Is your breakfast your favorite meal of the day? On the EVO, you can cook your eggs, hash browns, and a side of bacon all at the same time. No juggling separate pans or waiting for the stovetop to free up. And if you're a French toast person like me, the options are pretty much endless. You can cook multiple slices at once, caramelize the edges just right, and still have room for your favorites, toppings, and sides. For lunch, throw on the burgers and hot dogs, grill up some fresh onions, and toast the buns all in one go. Everything comes together at the same time, so nothing sits around getting cold. When dinner rolls around, just bring out your ingredients to the EVO. Sear your steak, saute your peppers and onions, and build some incredible steak sandwiches the whole family will dig into. When choosing an EVO griddle, you have a few options, and if you're looking for a built-in, you can choose between the Affinity 30 and the 25. The 30 is a little bit larger in terms of weight and cooking surface at 30 inches, while the 25 weighs a little bit less and has a smaller cooking surface of about 25 inches in diameter. If you're looking for something non-built-in, good news, because there is a professional wheeled cart version. You can take it with you, feel free to move it where you like. This freestanding version has a large cooking diameter of 30 inches. The EVO griddle comes equipped with dual gas burners. They are independently controlled and produce edge-to-edge even heat that gives you the balance you'll need. And a big perk is for the controls, where there is an inner and outer control knob. They are adjustable and they regulate the temperatures in 2 circular heat zones to ensure heat is evenly distributed across the surface. For example, you can keep food warm on the edges while keeping that high heat cooking right in the middle. If we pull apart the unit a little bit further, there is an adjustable vent on the top for all the steam, where you'll also find the stainless steel lid. If we look towards the bottom, you'll see the battery-powered one-touch ignition system and the removable spillover trays for easy cleaning. Speaking of cleaning, it is very easy. Just use the scraper to get the heavy stuff off, then push everything into the grease tray that surrounds the cooking surface, right into the empty slots. There are scrubbing pads if you need them, but treat it like a cast iron and finish it with a light wipe of oil to keep the surface seasoned. So who is the EVO griddle good for? If you love entertaining and hosting and this is a big part of your lifestyle, this circular design turns cooking into the main event. Guests can gather around instead of standing behind the cook. Or if you want more than just a grill, if you already have or you're planning a traditional grill and want a second cooking station that can handle just about everything from breakfast to full meals, this is for you. The options and capabilities are seemingly endless. Cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner with family and friends is what the EVO griddle is truly all about. Please come see it for yourself in one of our showrooms. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on our new weekly content.